Well, good morning, friends. I haven't been out and about doing much of anything lately because it's just too darn hot. But a good friend of mine has been. My friend Rodney is a professional umpire. He does Little League and fast pitch softball and on up to college level baseball umpiring. Recently, he went and did a tournament at a place called the Ballparks of America in Branson, Missouri. So he took a little video and did a tour of the Ballparks of America. It's kind of an inside look that you don't get if you just go there. You don't get to see all what's going on in the background. I found it very interesting and very cool, and I hope you will too. So I asked him if I could snag his footage and share that with y'all, and he said of course. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here we go. Check out the Ballparks of America. Thank you, Rodney. You're the best.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Okay, gonna do a little walkthrough here at Branson, Missouri at the Ballparks of America baseball complex. These are our neighbors. It's actually a zoo right here behind our dorm room. There's a couple antelope and a deer. They're kind of small, but you can see them. So this is right outside our door. Kind of blurry, doing the best I can with what I got to work with, guys. Anyway, the water buffalo are right down to the next cage, but I'm not walking down there. This is the back of the complex. This is where we all park. Some of these cars are for the interns that work here. This used to be a Tanger outlet mall, and they I guess sold out or moved or whatever, and Ballpark of America bought them. Made a really cool complex. Here's our back door to our umpire dorm room, 104. And here we go. This is how the umpires. Here's the youngster from Chicago. He's got bad knees, is what he keeps telling us. I don't know. All I heard is he hits bombs out at the home run hitting contest. So this one sleeps 8. Right now we've got 6 in here. This is my little spot. Brought too many clothes, but hey, better than not bringing enough. So that's where I spend my downtime here. It's not bad at all. We all get along real good. We're all from different places, and we still all get along pretty good. All right, so now we're walking out into the main hallway. And you look down here and you got some of the interns roaming around down that hall. This is our door, 104. So you come out our door, hang a right, come down here, and I got the water fountains right there. And then this is the umpires restroom area. There's no one in here, so we'll just go have a look. There's our sinks right there. Of course, there's the urinals. We won't go deep into that situation. Here's the shower stalls, 7 or 8 of these. So this is where we get cleaned up after a hard day at work. And it's pretty much for the umpires only, so it's never hardly anybody in here. All right, so we're coming out, and right across from the umpire's restroom, we've got the umpire locker room, 101. Let me get the key. All right, we're in. Let's let the lights come on. There's no one in here, of course, the lights go out. go. All right, I don't know. We got a lot of lockers. It's just the lockers, empty lockers, and the lockers of the guys that are here. We're all geared up, all kinds of equipment. There's Big Lavelle. He's just chilling. He's on the phone, of course. Something's never changed. Over here, we got some more lockers. They fill this up every day for us, full of water. This will be the board where they'll post the schedules for tomorrow, championship bracket day. Over here, we got a guy from Wichita, Kansas. That's his stuff. There's my stuff. Got so much stuff I needed 2 lockers. And then we got another couple guys that these are their lockers, but you know, they're probably out smoking herb because that's what they do most of the time they're here. And here we go out the back door to the complex itself, the fields. This is actually a field that is a replica of the Chicago Cubs, Wrigley Field. And over by that tower is the St. Louis Cardinals replica field. There's the scoreboard for Chicago, the back of it. And these are all, I think, administrative buildings. And all the interns and the people work here have these carts they drive around on, bring us baseballs, help us out when we need something. Over there you see the sign that says the clubhouse. That's where we get all our meals provided. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, except on Wednesday, which is today. No games, complex is closed, so no food, no free food today. But that's okay, we got it worked out. As you can see in the distance, you see the little pony ride from back in the day when we were kids. Put a little quarter in and hop on the play horses. And there's this first field, you just see a little bit of it. That's based on the old Brooklyn Dodgers field. Guess that would be Ebbets Field back in the day. And you can't really see it too well, and it's pretty far down there. I'm not going to go down there, but right behind this field is the Boston Red Sox replica field. And if you look real close, you see the green monster back there in the back. This is, we have restrooms here for the people and the spectators. Concession stand. And yes, they sell beer in the complex. And so far, usually that's a bad thing, but so far, we've had no issues. Hi. I don't know if you heard that. That's a helicopter. We have helicopter tours that go over like every 5 minutes. It's pretty cool unless you have some conversation going with a coach and neither one of us can hear each other, which I'm okay with. And we're still looking here at the Chicago Cub field, Wrigley Field. Now over here, where you can go in and you get tickets to the attractions and stuff around here. You get discounted tickets for that. Of course, we don't have much, today we had time, but we don't really have much time to go do anything except for today. Right here, it says it's a general store, but it looks empty. So I don't know what's going on. Right here, they have a photo shop where the teams or the players or whatever get some high quality photos going. And again, they're closed today, but it's where the magic happens. It's the photo shop, and they are serious. They have multiple people on every field taking pictures, and they do live stream every game. This is the guest services where, you know, you have any questions or any problems, you can go right here and hopefully get those worked out. This, I believe, is just another empty suite. Again, it used to be a Tanger outlet mall, so they don't have this place is huge. They don't have something in every room. Looks like a storage area. It's one of the other buildings. Here's another view of this Wrigley Field Replica Park. The parks are a little bit too small for the 13-year-old age group, which we're calling now. So there's Home Run City. I think it would be great for 12-year-olds. Perfect size for 12-year-olds. But these 13-year-olds bombs away out here. There's the bullpen. Right here is the ice cream and sweet spot. And again, they're closed today because it's Wednesday. But this is probably the busiest, most active place out here when they're open. It is the place to be because the ice cream is off the chain. Right here is the building where the teams stay, the team suites, and their dorm. They have dorms they stay in. Each team has their own dorm with a locker room in there. I can't get in here because I don't have a key card for that, but there's the whole hallway. And then they have a couple other buildings for when they got a lot of teams. This week they only have 15 teams. Next week they're coming in with 36 teams, so it's going to be real busy, but I won't be here. Just some advertisement. Roller coaster. They got some cool roller coaster places here. These are still the team suites. Here's one of the teams. I think they're the Snipers. They're out of Arizona. Get a little glimpse in there. All the door shut. Couldn't get it all. All right, here we're still at Wrigley. Over there is the pro shop, and also where you go to check in once you get here. They got some really nice and cool stuff in there. It's not cheap, but I am. This is a little cool. Replica baseball bat. Explore Branson, Ballparks of America. Again, here's the gift shop, registration, and some more of these mechanical stuff. Dinosaur, horse. I've already been in here once today. Picked up my Umpire shirt that I got for free for coming here. I would go show you in there, but they don't want any cameras in there for some reason. It's like, it's not a casino or something, guys. This is the Double Play Cafe. If you don't want to eat the free food, you can come here and I guess, pay for some food. Never been in here, and again, they're closed today because it's Wednesday. Some more advertisements of things to do around here. And we get discounts to all this stuff if we wanted to go. Laser tag here on site. The kids get discounts to go there. Here's the campus map. As you can see, it's a big old place, 5 fields, along with laser tag, batting cages, the cafe, the concession stands, team suites. And they have an arcade, laundry facilities that are free. They have a puzzle parlor, escape room, and then again the photography place. And there's some more concessions. So I'm going down between the buildings here. I believe this is I'm thinking this is the arcade. Well, first, this is the dugout. It's another concession stand. They're closed because, again, it's Wednesday. I haven't spent any time in there. And then right here is the arcade, and it is open. Or maybe not. Don't see a soul in there. But it looks pretty cool. But I have not been in there. By the time we're through with our games, we're all worn out, so don't really want to come roaming around hanging out with the coaches and the players and them thinking they'd be nice to us, that, you know, we'll do them a favor. All right, so I'm coming through. This is the Replica St. Louis ballpark. You can see the arch etched into the outfield. Hope I can get that for you. There's some kids out here playing around. Right now it's overcast and it's so cool and there's no humidity. And I hope tomorrow for championship day it's like this, but I guarantee it won't be. Very nice field, very nice field. All these fields are sweet. There's the arcade from the other door. Not really, don't know. I guess this is where they keep their little cars they ride around on. Coaches and players only. So they don't want the umpires in here, huh? Oh, batting cage. So I don't need to be in there. See in the distance, kids just roaming around out here having a blast. Got nice seating for the fans. Cool dugouts. Lowered like in the big leagues. Got a little tower. All right, here's the helicopter coming. About at least one comes every 5 minutes. Sometimes they come right over the fields and real low. Bam, 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 bam. If you're not ready for them, they'll scare you to death. Hey, that was a balk. That's a balk. That's a balk. I'm just playing with the kids. I've had very little problems with anybody out here. There's some more restrooms. I don't know. I think these are all empty spots. This is where the nice view from the stands. Right here. Scoreboard out there. And again, the St. Louis arch etched into the outfield. Really cool. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one other field, but it's a long way off and I'm not going that way. Anyway, just wanted to share this with my Facebook peeps. It's been a week here. Tomorrow's my last day. Don't know if I'm going to get the championship game or not, or any semifinals. Supposed to find out sometime today. Hope so, but if not, I still had a good time. But I will get some early games. Whether or not I get the championship or not, we'll see. But I'm sure I'll let y'all know. Y'all be safe and see you next time.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I did a little bit of research after I saw his video, and this is a really cool complex, and it offers kids from all over the country an opportunity to play on these fantastic fields. It's an experience of a lifetime, I'm sure. So, yep, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it very much, and y'all stay lost, my friends. Stay out of the heat.